Well, I'm out here starting in on my courtyard again, trying to get all the mulch down, get the beds all, the topsoil and stuff. I had to add some. I've still got some over there we've got to build up. And then raking it all out and breaking the dirt clogs up and all that good stuff and tilling it. And then putting the mulch and stuff on top of everything real deep. About 3 inches of mulch on there. I may add some more after that dies down a little bit and settles from some good rain. But I got that going, and then I'm working on the stairs and go up there. So I'm working on a little bit of everything here and there, trying to catch up. Still haven't got my weed eater fixed. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's a brand new weed eater, and that daggone thing, I've had it for like 3 years, and I haven't used it but one time, and I don't know. It's got fresh fuel in it and everything. But something somewhere has got a short, and I'm not getting continuous sparks, so I don't know what it is. When I get paid, I'm gonna get a brand new spark plug and put in that thing. And if I have to, I'll send off and just get another coil. Coil's $7.41, so that's pretty cheap in itself. But my little mule right there has been saving me a lot of back pain and a lot of back breaking work. That thing moves everything. I've been hauling gravel, and I got mulch back there, and I'm getting ready to move that trailer and get that grapple hooked up on the front of this thing so I can pick that heavy Astroturf off of the trailer. That's about almost 1,000 pounds on that trailer disc from that stuff, that artificial grass. It's got real heavy backing on it, and it's a tall type long leaf Astroturf, so that's one reason too. But I've still got to get something happening with a weed eater. I either take mine someplace and get it fixed, or I don't know. But I got to get all this cut down. I've sprayed it once or twice with Roundup, but damn stuff comes right back. That Roundup's about worthless, so I am not buying any more of that stuff because it doesn't do nothing but just temporarily bruise up the daggone plants. Look like a prize fighter a day or two after a fight. You get bruised up, black and blue, and then they heal up and they're back green again, just like these weeds. So, believe it or not, there's a hole right there, a great big hole for a fish pond, but I gotta finish digging it out. Or find a machine. We'll get something going here. The weather's getting where I can stand to be outside now, so let's start getting my projects fired back up. I got to do a little bit of this, and then I've got frames to build for a greenhouse. Actually, a couple greenhouses, and I'll get that done. Then I got to tear that thing apart and sandblast it and paint it, and then rebuild it with a new motor and all on it, and new hoses, and maybe new tires. I haven't decided yet. Those tires got a little bit of life left on them, but we'll see. So that's what I'm doing. That's my update. I know I haven't had any YouTube channel updates or Facebook, so as far as something like this. But we're working on it. We're back on it. I got my Astroturf now. That's a huge motivation. That goes around the perimeter about a 2.5, maybe a 3 foot wide piece, like a walkway, a grass walkway, and it goes all the way around the perimeter of the whole courtyard. And then in this area in here, coming up to it, is going to be all white kyanite sand with my stepping stones every now and then wherever I need them. And then the pond and we'll get all the stuff planted and everything that I want to plant to grow. So that'll be cool. Hope y'all stick with me. I'm trying to hang on. We'll talk to you later. Hope you have a good rest of the week. Bye.